The more observant members of the audience might have noticed something. I am bald. As a matter of fact, I am clean shaven. I like rocking the clean shaven look. I started shaving my head about 30 years ago. Shortly after that, I started adopting the clean shaven look. Why? The X-Files. I liked the X-Files. I decided that I wanted to have that Fox Mulder FBI look, and so I started shaving my face pretty much every day or every other day. But anyhow, it took me a long time to find a shaving cream that I liked. And by the way, this is going to sound like a commercial. It is not. I'm just sharing some of the products that I like. But anyhow, I did not find a shaving cream in the United States that I liked until like my last year in the US, and that was Aveeno. If you haven't tried Aveeno shaving cream, give it a whirl. One of the adjustments that people have to make as an immigrant or an expat is finding replacements for the products back in their original country that they loved. And so when I got here, I did bring a little Aveeno with me, but it ran out because of how frequently I shave my face and my head. And so I needed to find a replacement. I tried a bunch of different shaving creams and I didn't like any of them. Here's the part where this is really going to sound like a commercial. I am so happy with this shaving cream. I have to tell all of you about this. It's called Leah or Leia. I don't know. You can find it at a lot of grocery stores. I found this at Consume, and it's also relatively inexpensive, and it is really close to Aveeno. So if you have immigrated and you are looking for a replacement shaving cream, I strongly recommend that you check out Leah. It's great. It gets the Dave Martin seal of approval.